Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a little before and after video for Jim in Michigan on his Stryker 955. Jim just pulled it out of the box, left everything the way he had it set. I'm going to show you what we got here. 100 watt slug and average. So you're keying about 14 watts. Hello. Going to about 20 or 21 bird. 250 watt slug in peak. Hello. And we see about 85, 88 peak, okay? Let's turn the power all the way down like you're going to use an amp. 100 watt slug average. So we're keying less than 2 watts. Hello. Swinging about to 9. Jim, we're going to set this one up like we would. Voltage regulator upgrade, ER 2030 plus FETs, as well as doing our tune alignment. So stay tuned, we'll be back. And just like that, in the magical world of technology, we are back a few hours later. We've set everything back up the way it was when you sent it in there, Jim. 100 watt slug RF power all the way down. Just a hair under 2 watts for you. Right at 20 watts. Hello. About 62. And that is actually under key down about 13.4. So you may see a little more than that, but we wanted to figure on the low side. 250 watt slug in PEP. Hello. About 115, 116 PEP. Now, of course, we have a resting voltage of 14.1. Let's turn it up there just to 14.4. Oh, that gives you another 5 watts. Now, you can go all the way up to 15 without any kind of issues. Of course, under key down, you're really not dropping a full volt. Let's show you what we got here. Hello, 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 hello. Just dropping about 1/10 of a volt there to supply. 250 watt slug PEP. Oh, average. Hello. So you're getting up there around 70 average and 130 PEP there at 15 flat. Alright, Jim, hope you enjoyed the video. We'll get this over to you. And if anybody else is looking for something like this, and really like these neat little radio brackets here. Work great for the bench. Your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.